In this video, we'll review the contents of your crop damage analysis report. Once you've paid for your report, you can download the report from this button here. You should have the file downloaded to your browser or your download section, or it may appear in a new tab by default. On the first page of your SkyClaim crop damage report, we have a table on the first page that has all the information you entered to start your analysis. In this case, we have the name of our map, a report ID for record keeping. We have the capture date for the orthomosaic that you entered when you uploaded your map. We have the resolution of that ortho map. We have the area included in the analysis. We have the crop group, the crop type, and the damage type, as well as any notes you added for the analysis. On the first page, you'll see the original true color orthomosaic and the points you located for the damage area. On the second page of the report, we have our damage index. The damage index is related to the severity of damage and crop loss. A damage index of 5 indicates the most crop loss relative to the damage locations you indicated. Here we break down the percent of the map that you have analyzed and the area in acres of each of these damage index classes. Typically, a damage index of 1 indicates no damages, but 2, 3, 4, and 5 indicate some level of crop loss. You can take the individual areas of percentages of each of these classes, or if you know that several classes represent the damage of interest, you can take the cumulative area. And again, we have those results presented as a pie chart. On that last page, we have our primary damage results, also known as our damage hotspots. This indicates the most severe crop loss in your field and is really useful for mapping out the area and percent of your field affected by really discrete damage events that are clearly visible in your imagery but may be difficult to measure out manually. We represent the area and the percentage at the bottom of your report so you can use that information for crop management or crop loss insurance claims.